Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
Are you bored with white, beige, or gray for your small kitchen? From now on, you should know that there are other colors that can make your small kitchen look bigger. This time, no longer choose white, beige, or gray to make your small kitchen look more spacious. In this video, you will see colors other than those mentioned previously, which can make your small kitchen look bigger or more spacious. Another fact is that painting your small kitchen using these colors will not drain your wallet. Also, you will get a more attractive feel and new style. Let's start looking at colors that make your small kitchen look bigger or more spacious. Kitchen with 3 shades of blue. This serene and welcoming approach serves as an ideal foundation to infuse tranquility into your small kitchen. Using 3 shades of blue cleverly delineates different kitchen areas, creating depth and the illusion of a larger space. Extending the lighter tone to the ceiling further emphasizes height and openness within the kitchen. Visually nature kitchen with green floor. To infuse a natural feel into your kitchen that faces the outdoors, consider painting the floor a deep green reminiscent of grass. Complement this with a cart and nature-inspired artwork to maintain a relaxed ambiance. These rustic kitchens, practical and charming, serve as ideal inspiration for a countryside aesthetic. Kitchen in navy color and metal brass. To achieve a spacious feel, complement your navy blue cabinets with brass or gold hardware, lighting, and accessories. The warm metallic tones provide a stunning contrast against the deep blue, elevating the overall appearance to a sophisticated and elegant style. Deep orange kitchen, rustic style. To maintain a spacious ambiance while adding color to a rustic kitchen style, consider this deep orange hue. It not only complements the rustic charm, but also enhances the sense of space by accentuating the rust tones of the kitchen backsplash. Kitchen in yellow tone and bronze finishes. To imbue a narrow galley kitchen with a sense of spaciousness, select a light, fresh yellow akin to sunshine. This vibrant choice will bring a cheerful vibe to your mornings, whether you're washing dishes or indulging in a cup of coffee. Bluish-purple kitchen. Bluish-purple offers an elegant touch while fostering a sense of spaciousness in the kitchen. Pair it with lighter tones to avoid a cramped feel. For example, combine eggplant purple furniture with white countertops and gray walls, or opt for aubergine walls to complement white furniture for a striking look. Kitchen with island in mint green. Absolutely, mint green brings a larger look and refreshing touch to a small kitchen. Its soft, relaxing hue pairs perfectly with the matte white of the cupboards. Additionally, the marble worktop not only adds warmth, but also enhances the natural atmosphere within the space. Narrow kitchen with vibrant tones. Embrace a vibrant paint color such as this orange-red to infuse vitality into your narrow kitchen space. It breathes life into the cabinets, amplifying the kitchen's energy. Pairing it with white walls and opting for stainless steel appliances creates a visually expanded appearance. Classic white kitchen. Extend this approach to the living room as well, employing hardware-free cabinets in an elegant white hue that seamlessly blend into the backdrop, creating an illusion of boundless space. Small kitchen with eclectic. To introduce a contemporary flair, infuse some playfulness using bold colors and geometric shapes in your kitchen. Given that you spend a significant amount of time at home, creating an eclectic kitchen with vibrant colors can transform it into a more personalized and visually spacious area. Olive green for a small kitchen. Achieving success with olive green-toned kitchens is a consistent trend. This kitchen epitomizes a modern ambiance through its design. The blend of olive paint and silver hardware not only adds a touch of sparkle, but also creates a shiny, expansive look within the space. Small kitchen with red furniture. If you have a dark countertop, take out one of the colors or undertones so that it takes center stage with your cabinet. The silver touches in hardware and accessories provide the spacious, shiny glamour and elegance in your small kitchen. Bright green and blue kitchen. The combination of a kitchen with bright blue and bright green provides a bright, spacious feel, accompanied by a sense of natural freshness added to the kitchen cabinets and island. Dark, shiny kitchen. This stunning kitchen design boasts bright walls flooding the space with light, reflecting in the backdrop tiles and black trim. Decorating with black requires knowing the tricks of the trade, despite its trendiness in interior design.